Hi, this is Molly with Beast Marketers. Chris had me shoot you this quick video just to go over a couple things. I read that you are concerned about the amount of backlinks that are getting put onto your website as quickly as they are, and that is going to flag things in Google, which I think it's very reasonable for you to be concerned about that. Those things definitely do happen. So I wanted to just do an overall audit. So what I'm looking at with your site, it's a really great looking site. Whoever built this did a wonderful job. One thing that I would recommend, they're just seeing if these are scrolling, but it doesn't seem, oh, there we go. One thing I would recommend, believe it or not, would be content. You do have a lot of content on there, but Google does like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And the reason for that is throughout that content, you can strategically put keywords. What I'm seeing when I look, you are ranking for Kirkwood, which is understandable because you were very smart to put that in your name. That's automatically going to help you outrank people. But what I don't see you pulling up for is St. Louis. So let's take a look. I know that you're already familiar with Ahrefs, so I went ahead and put this in just for a tool that you're familiar with. You do have 5.4 thousand backlinks, and that is coming from 100.25 thousand referring domains. But the fact that this number is so low when you have so many backlinks and so many referring domains, the thing with backlinks is, yes, quantity matters, but quality is what carries the most weight. So you have so many backlinks, which again came on very rapidly, and so that could be a reason for, some red flags, but also checking out the quantity of that. For these many referring domains and these many backlinks, you would expect for this number to be higher. So it's important not just to whoever you're working with to go out and get whatever backlinks. They've really got to be making sure that they're getting you quality backlinks. And because here's the problem, you're only getting 63 hits to your site a month, which doesn't equal the amount of backlinks and referring domains that you have. Part of that, though, is your keywords. When you come in and you see what keywords you are ranking for, we look at different ones. There's branded ones and informational, or there's local buyer intent. What I want to find is those local buyer intent keywords, because right now, the keywords that you're ranking for, the majority of them are just informational. So let's take a look. I'm going to go here and we're going to rate it by volume because we want to go after those high volume searches. Now, like I said, again, with Kirkwood Chiropractor, we expect that you are going to rank for that because you did put that in your website. And so that is going to help you. But when you come down and you look for Massage St. Louis, 2.1 thousand, let's look for chiropractor. So chiropractor St. Louis, that is searched 1,000 times a month. You're not ranking. You are, but you're ranking 55. You're not getting any hits from that. And that is a massive amount of search volume out there. Let's see. So it's great that you are, ranking for all these informational ones, but we want to find the ones that are St. Louis specific. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and search chiropractor St. Louis and see what does come up. I noticed number one, you are not ranking your Google profile. And that's very important. Even when I did pull up chiropractor Kirkwood, you're also not ranking for that in your Google business profile. So I would definitely, I don't know, it's hard for me to say the people that you hired, if they're doing their job or not, because I don't know the specifics of what you asked them to do. If you only ask them to get you backlinks, that's what they're doing. They're getting you backlinks. If you ask them to really work on your SEO and work on your Google business profile, that I don't see happening. So this Google Maps area, it's extremely important that you rank with this because 30 to 40% of people who search for this are going to stop and click on one of these profiles right here. You'll get a massive amount of volume to your site if you can rank your Google business profile. So In order to do that, you need to make sure your profile is completely filled out and optimized and you've got your keywords in there. You need to make sure that you have posted branded and geotagged optimized photos weekly to your Google business profile. You want to be sure that you're responding to every Google review that you receive, and you want to be going out there and getting citations. That's the most important one. And that is anytime your your business name, address are listed in various directories throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, those sort of things. There are thousands of directories out there. So you really do want to take the time to go out and get yourself listed in as many of those directories as possible. So coming down here, when I do search chiropractor St. Louis, the first competitor that pops up is The Joint. And, I realize that this is a franchise of them, but they've got the strength of the main site backing them up. So the main site has got, 112,000 backlinks coming from 5.29 referring domains. They're ranking for all these keywords. So we want to see, there you go. So this is the St. Louis one. Like I said, they already have the strength from the main site backing them. But what's most important is the keywords. They're getting 253 hits to their site a month because they are ranking for those high volume keywords. Chiropractor St. Louis, 1,000 searches a month. They've got 102 clicks from that because they're ranked number 3. Chiropractor St. Louis, Missouri. That searched 150 times. They're getting 24 of those because they're number 2. Chiropractors, St. Louis, Missouri. So like I said, if you want to rank in St. Louis, Missouri, you've got to have those keywords, and you want to do what you can to rank specifically for those, because even people with less backlinks are outranking you because it's about quality of backlinks far more than quantity. So I think your number one why is to be tracking what's going on. I think it's great that you're educating yourself on how SEO functions so that you can make sure that you are getting what you paid for in the service that you promised. But I think it's also very important to keep an eye on the quality of backlinks that you're getting as well. Come in here, click on each of them and really see what are their numbers and what are they bringing back to you. So I hope that this is helpful. Hopefully you can get the people that you're working with to help you. If not, we absolutely at Beast Marketers would love to help you with this. We're really great with backlinks and keywords and SEO, as well as getting your GMB, your Google Business Profile, to rank on the map. That is extremely important. So hopefully this was beneficial. We would love to talk to you and get your feedback, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.